Every single photo you take has a hidden story. Let's find out what it's telling us.
Yep, underneath the picture there's a ton of info you probably don't even know exists.
So what is it? It's called EXIF Metadata. You've probably heard of it.
Just think of it like a secret digital label that's slapped onto almost every photo.
And look at this. It's wild how much it records. Camera model, even your exact GPS spot.
Yeah, something like 95% of all professional digital photos have this kind of data packed inside.
Now, here's the catch. That data travels with the photo wherever it goes online.
All right, so how do you actually read this stuff? It's easier than you think.
If you're on a Windows PC, you don't even need special software to see the basics.
And for you Mac users, the Preview app has you covered with its Show Inspector tool.
But you know those built-in tools? They only show you the tip of the iceberg. To see everything, you gotta go online. Specialized viewers can dig way, way deeper.
These tools unlock it all, from keywords and captions to your exact location on a map.
Okay, so why does any of this actually matter? Well, it has some pretty huge real-world effects.
Get this. One study found that images with all their metadata can rank 35% higher in search.
See, for a search engine like Google, this data is gold. It helps them understand your picture. And on sites like Etsy, it helps shoppers find exactly what they're looking for. Super useful. For photographers on stock sites, good metadata is everything. It's how they get found.
Now, this data actually comes in 3 main flavors: EXIF, IPTC, and XMP.
It's simple. EXIF is the tech stuff, IPTC is the description, and XMP tracks your edits.
The bottom line is, they all work together to help your photos get seen and used correctly. So, knowing this stuff gives you power over your privacy and how your images perform online.
Your photos know a lot. Now that you can read them, what stories are you going to find?
Your images carry more than pixels. They carry your brand, your location, your copyright. With EXIF Injector, you inject the right metadata into every photo. EXIF, IPTC, XMP. In bulk, in seconds. Whether you sell on Etsy, Shopify, or stock platforms, your images finally speak to search engines. Give life to your images. Visit exifinjector.com. Start free today.